I have to eat this one or this one? It's so confusing. You also have a high blood pressure problem and want to start a DASH diet? Then watch this video till the end, because before starting the DASH diet, you have to know which food is allowed and which not allowed in DASH diet. After watching this video, your all confusion will get clear. So, stay tuned. If you're new here, be sure hit that subscribes button and bell icon also. Let's go. Ten foods you can eat in the DASH diet. First is green leafy vegetables. Yes, if you want a healthy body, then you have to eat what you don't want. If you want to reduce stress throughout the day, green leafy vegetables can help you with this. Potassium is found in these vegetables, which act to eliminate sodium from the body. Blood pressure comes down to normal level by including it in the diet. You must include these green leafy vegetables in your food. Cauliflower, spinach, radish leaves, turnip leaves, beet leaves. The second is oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming oatmeal reduces the level of lipid in the blood, which helps in reducing weight. Also, it can control high blood pressure. After various research, scientists have confirmed that those who consume 5 grams of oatmeal per day, their systolic blood pressure level decreases by 7.7 mm Hg, while diastolic blood pressure level is found to decrease by 5.5 mm Hg. Therefore, include oatmeal in breakfast or lunch every day. Third is beetroot. Beet contains nitric oxide, which helps the blood vessels to expand. Therefore, consuming beetroot can lower high blood pressure. Scientists in Australia conducted a test to find out how the beet is beneficial in high blood pressure. They divided 15 to 15 men and women into 2 separate groups. One group gave scientists 500 grams of beet juice, while the other group was given apple juice to consume. About 2 weeks after, the group to which beet juice was given, their systolic blood pressure level was found to be 4 to 5 mm Hg lower. Fourth is dark chocolate. Never underestimate the power of dark chocolate. You may find it strange to listen to this, but the truth is that eating dark chocolate can reduce high blood pressure. Flavonols are found in dark chocolate, which affects high blood pressure. Scientists at the University of Adelaide say that eating 30 to 1000 milligrams of dark chocolate daily reduces systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Therefore, you can eat a little chocolate every afternoon after lunch or dinner. Fifth is garlic. You may have heard this. Peace and happiness begin geographically where garlic is used in cooking.
Nice.
The main element called allicin is found in garlic. It balances the production of hydrogen sulfide in the body and regulates nitric oxide. This helps the blood vessels to de-stress and expand. To control high blood pressure, you can consume 1 or 2 buds of garlic daily. The sixth one is, look whole from the outside, but distributed in many parts inside. It's pomegranate. Pomegranate is considered a good source of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. If you want to lose weight, then pomegranate is the best fruit for you. Various researchers have found that if you regularly consume pomegranate juice, systolic blood pressure decreases. According to the doctors who have a problem with high blood pressure, they should drink 1 or 2 glasses of pomegranate juice every few days. The seventh one is pistachio. Calories in one pistachio are 4, but the calories burned opening one pistachio is 3000. Just kidding. Pistachio is considered best for good health. Especially, patients suffering from high blood pressure should take it. If taken in limited quantities, it may help to lose weight. It is capable of reducing lipid levels in the blood. To balance blood pressure, 25 pistachios without salt can be eaten daily. For high blood pressure, include it in the diet. Eighth is fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in salmon, mackerel, hilsa, and tuna fish. Consumption of these can reduce the inflammation in the body. Vitamin D is found in plenty in these fish. Scientists claim that DHA is found in omega-3s, which activate voltage-gated channels in the body's cells, which eliminate sodium from the root. Also, research has found that consuming fatty fish not only reduces weight, but also reduces systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The ninth one is a great way to just refresh during the hot summer months. It's yogurt. It is a type of curd. It is low in fat and contains a sufficient amount of calcium and potassium. Doctors say that calcium and potassium help to flush out sodium from the body. According to a study published in the journal called Nutrients, eating yogurt helps in reducing high blood pressure. Therefore, you can consume 1 or 2 bowls of yogurt every day. 10th is seeds. Like other foods, natural seeds also have many nutritional and beneficial ingredients. Among them, pumpkin, sunflower, watermelon, and chia seeds are prominent. These seeds are a major source of fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These seeds do well to lose weight, as well as to balance blood pressure. You can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of these seeds to your smoothie daily or in breakfast and salad. If you have started a DASH diet, then which food you have in your diet from this list? Let us know in the comment. Let's see what is not allowed in the DASH diet.
No! No!
Precautions to control blood pressure are more important than treatment. Therefore, you can make blood pressure levels normal by taking some precautions. The things that you should take precautions or avoid are: do not eat more sodium. I know its absence makes all things tasteless, but eating foods with low sodium means that you are taking less salt. This helps in reducing high blood pressure. Along with this, you also avoid eating processed food. Processed food has high sodium, which increases blood pressure. Do not drink too much alcohol. It's for addicted peoples. Sometimes drink water to surprise your liver. Many people drink alcohol in large quantities, which further increases high blood pressure. Therefore, do not drink alcohol in the problem of high blood pressure. Should not smoke. Want to stop smoking? Just learn to love yourself. Cigarette smoke contains nicotine. It is not only harmful to your lungs, but is also very dangerous for the heart. If you are smoking, you are harming yourself, as well as affecting the people around you. So, quit smoking as soon as possible. Should not eat more fatty foods. Bad cholesterol and bad fat are extremely harmful to the arteries. So, eat a limited amount of fat and do not eat bad fat. Choose foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. To cook frying foods, use methods like boiling, baking, steaming. Doing this may not taste good in food, but it is very beneficial for the heart. Also, instead of high-fat yogurt, eat low-fat yogurt. Do not eat more sugar. Use natural sources of sugar, such as fruits, raisins, and dates for sugar. Do not drink packed juices containing more sugar. Do not eat too many snacks. Also, do not eat such foods which contain a lot of fructose corn syrup, such as chutney and soft drinks, etc. Do not eat red meat. Fish and chicken can be eaten instead because they contain omega-3 fatty acids. Instead of frying these, boil them and eat them. Salmon and tuna, these two fish are good quality fish. So eat these fish. This is the main and most important to avoid in DASH diet. Let's see specific foods which you can avoid in day-to-day life for DASH diet. Do not eat these foods in high blood pressure. Fast food like chips, pizza, canned foods, pre-packed pasta, cookies, and pastries. Sugar foods like candies, packed fruit and vegetable juices, energy drinks, packed soups, chutneys, and sauces. Salty foods like dry fruits with soda, salt. High-fat foods like white bread, high-fat salads. Protein-rich foods like processed meats, uncooked meats. So, if you are going to start a DASH diet, then comment now which food of this list you're going to add in your diet. I hope you found this video helpful, then give big like, and don't forget to share with friends and family, maybe this video helps them. See you in the next amazing video.